this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the thumbstick modules if you have stick drift or a broken controller on your PlayStation 5 DualSense Edge controller. So to do this we need to remove this face cover. So let's flip our controller around and locate a finger with a little bit of nails on it. And then place it in your opposite hand. So I have no fingernails on my right hand here that are very long, but my left finger does. And you just want to swipe on down from the top. And then where it says release, hit the release button and just swipe down. Boom. So you can see I'm barely gripping it and the face cover popped off. So just practice at that. It's hard to do it if you do not have a fingernail. So then we can put this over the top here. So I have Control Freaks on here. It gives me a little bit better grip. Then once we have this open, you'll probably be replacing your right one. Just lift up and it'll pop out. Take it now. And it looks like it's like connected via USB. I don't know what that must be, a proprietary thing. But you can just place it in the new one. It's very easy. So you bought it off Amazon. Swap it in and this will eliminate your stick drift. Boom. Just saved yourself some money buying a new controller. That's why I do not buy any other Pro controller anymore, because it seems like they always break and you're paying like $200 just to have it break. So let's snap this back in now and make sure this is lined correctly. Otherwise it's not going to be even. And you can always just pop it up if it's not. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did? Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.